Hello friends, welcome to Java2D tutorial. Here we are starting a new series, and in this series we will learn Graphics2D package from Java. So all the videos in this sub-series will use Graphics2D. And here in this video you will learn the basics of coordinate system, what is user coordinate system and what is a system coordinate. Then we will learn about the shapes. In Java, graphics class performs drawing on the component. So this one we already know when we used the AWT. The graphics uses various objects like color, font, etc. and it uses those objects like color and font to perform drawing on the component. So the component can be anything. It can be a J panel or it can be a J button. So whatever it is, you can perform drawing on the component using the graphics object and its accompanying color and font, and there are a lot of other objects. So using those you can perform drawing. Graphics2D is a subclass of graphics. That means Graphics2D contains extra functionality on top of graphics. Graphics2D takes care of the coordinate system and conversion. So here there are two coordinate systems involved. One is user coordinate and another one is a device coordinate. 2D graphics helps to draw shapes like line, circle, curves, and there are a lot of many other shape related objects. It provides ability to select what is already drawn in the display. The API also manages how to render overlapping object. So when one object is placed on top of other, how to render both the object. So here let's say this is a rectangle and there is a circle which is overlapping on top of a rectangle, and Graphics2D maintains how to manage these overlapping objects. In this course, you will learn how to use 2D graphics API from Java package. So, as already told, there are two coordinate systems in Java2D graphics. One is user coordinate and another one is device coordinate. 2D graphics accept data in user coordinate system. It is usually specified as integer or floats, and these values are device independent. So when you specify the coordinate, let's say you are drawing a line and you specify the line is 100 units, then it is 100 units in the printer as well as in your monitor. Device coordinate system is device dependent. So that means if you specify 100 device unit in a platter, that may not be equal in the monitor or in the platter. Once we draw objects on using the user coordinate, Java2D will take care of converting it to device coordinate. So you no need to do the conversion, and the underlying package, that means the Graphics2D package, will take care of converting it to the underlying hardware. That means you specify something in user coordinate, and if the underlying hardware is a monitor, it knows how to convert it. Or if you are drawn something and you are taking a printout, it knows how to convert the unit based on the hardware requirement. Or it converts whatever you specified in the user coordinate to device coordinate. Let's say it's your JFrame and you drawn a line 100 unit, and then you are printing the document. So it knows how the 100 unit should be represented in the paper. Or if you are seeing this in a different sized monitor, it knows how to place this 100 unit in the monitor. So that's all you need to know about Graphics2D. There is no demo here, and in this sub-series we are going to use Eclipse, and we will install window builder components so that we can design our form inside the Eclipse, just like how we did previously in the previous series. That means in the Java IO tutorial series we used NetBeans and we designed our frame window using the inbuilt Eclipse inbuilt NetBeans provided tool. Here we depend on window builder, and we will see in the next coming videos how to use that plugin inside the Eclipse. Once again, there is no demo here, it's just an introduction or a primer to start the other videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.